The truth about why the sky is blue. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring a question that has puzzled many. Why is the sky blue? Let's dive into the science behind it. Light from the sun appears white, but it's actually made up of different colors. Each color has its own wavelength. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it collides with air molecules. These molecules scatter the light in all directions. Blue light has a shorter wavelength compared to other colors. It gets scattered more by the air molecules in the atmosphere. This scattering causes the sky to appear blue to our eyes during the day. The phenomenon is known as Rayleigh scattering. During sunrise and sunset, the sky can look red or orange. This happens because the light travels through more atmosphere, scattering shorter wavelengths. Longer wavelengths like red and orange dominate the sky at these times, giving it those beautiful colors. The sky isn't always blue everywhere. Over cities, pollution can cause different colors. In deserts, the sky can appear more white. Next time you look up, you'll know exactly why that vast expanse above is blue. Fascinating, isn't it? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.